Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your Slack theme. So all you have to do is head over to slack.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, then click on Preferences. A window will then pop up and once again, in the left panel, click on Appearance. And this is where you can change your Slack theme. You can start customizing the font. You can choose from the options. And also, you can change the color mode if you want light theme, dark, or system default. And if you scroll down further, you can see here available Slack themes you can choose from. You have single color themes, vision assistive, fun and new, and updated classics. But you can also customize your own theme just by switching on custom theme, and you can choose whatever color, explore with the color options, and if you want it gradient and blend with window background. You also have here the surprise me option that lets Slack generate own colors for you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!